Hey there, my dear friends. It's your favorite financial enthusiast, Green Waifu, here to talk about something fascinating today. Black Swan event. It may sound mysterious, but don't worry, I'm here to break it down for you. So grab your favorite snacks, sit back, and let's dive into this topic together. First things first, let's unravel the mystery of a black swan event. You know, black swans are super rare birds that were thought not to exist until someone discovered them in Australia. Similarly, a black swan event is a rare and unexpected occurrence that has a massive impact on our world. These events catch everyone by surprise, just like finding a black swan in a world of white ones. Black swan events can be natural disasters, financial crises, technological disruptions, or even unexpected pandemics. Let's take a look at some examples. Remember Hurricane Katrina? It was a devastating black swan event that hit the Gulf Coast of the United States in 2005. The hurricane caused widespread destruction, displaced thousands of people, and had a significant impact on the economy of the region. Another example is the global financial crisis of 2008. It started with the collapse of Lehman Brothers, a major investment bank. This event sent shockwaves throughout the financial system, leading to a severe economic downturn. Many people lost their jobs, and it took years for the economy to recover. Now, you might wonder, how do these black swan events impact the stock market and the economy? Well, when something unexpected happens, it can create chaos and uncertainty. Investors get nervous, and they start selling their stocks, causing prices to drop. This sudden shift in investor behavior can lead to a stock market crash. During the COVID-19 pandemic, we witnessed a black swan event unfold before our eyes. As the virus spread globally, countries implemented lockdowns and travel restrictions. This caused businesses to shut down, disrupting supply chains and reducing consumer spending. The stock market experienced a sharp decline, with major indices like the S&P 500 and Dow Jones Industrial Average plummeting. Many investors experienced significant losses during this time. When the stock market crashes, it affects not only investors, but also businesses and the overall economy. Companies may struggle to raise capital or make profits, leading to layoffs and economic downturn. It's like a ripple effect, where one event sets off a chain reaction. For example, let's consider the impact of the 2008 financial crisis on everyday people. Many individuals lost their jobs as companies downsized or closed down completely. Unemployment rates soared, making it difficult for people to find new jobs. This had a direct impact on their ability to pay bills, save for the future, or pursue their dreams. It was a challenging time for many families who faced financial hardships and had to make tough decisions. Moreover, black swan events can disrupt supply chains, leading to shortages of essential goods and services. Remember the toilet paper frenzy during the pandemic? People rushed to stock up on toilet paper, causing temporary shortages. This created a sense of scarcity and highlighted how unexpected events can impact our daily lives. Okay, but don't panic. Even though black swan events are unpredictable, there are steps we can take to prepare ourselves. Remember, being prepared is like wearing armor against unexpected challenges. Firstly, build an emergency fund. Saving up some money in case of emergencies can provide a safety net during tough times. Aim to set aside 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. It may take time, but trust me, it's worth it. For example, imagine if you suddenly lost your job. Having an emergency fund would give you peace of mind and help cover your expenses while you search for a new job. Secondly, diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. By spreading your money across different types of investments, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, you reduce the risk of being heavily impacted by a single event. It's like having a team of superheroes instead of relying on just one. Let's say you invest all your money in one company's stock, and that company faces a black swan event that causes its stock price to plummet. If you had diversified your investments, the impact on your overall portfolio would be less severe. Another way to prepare for a black swan event is to stay informed. Keep an eye on the news, economic trends, and global events. Being aware of potential risks and taking proactive measures can help you navigate through challenging times. For instance, if you notice signs of an economic downturn or increased volatility in the stock market, you can adjust your investment strategy accordingly, reducing your exposure to potential risks. Lastly, don't forget the power of education. Continuously educate yourself about personal finance and investing. Learn from experts, read books, attend seminars, and even follow reliable financial YouTubers like me, who can guide you in making informed decisions. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make smart financial choices. Remember, my friends, black swan events may be rare, but they can have a significant impact. By being prepared, staying diversified, and continuously learning, you can build a solid financial foundation that can withstand unexpected challenges. That's all for today's lesson on black swan events. I hope you found it informative and empowering. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts, leave a comment below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving tips and financial insights. Until next time, take care and keep building your bright financial future. I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye, everyone.